Meaning of humidex.
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 Humidex. Humidex is an index used to describe how hot and humid the air feels to a person. It takes into account both temperature and humidity, providing a single value that represents the perceived temperature. The higher the humidex value, the more uncomfortable the air feels and the more difficult it becomes for our bodies to cool down through sweating. Humidex values above 30 can impact health, causing heat exhaustion or heat stroke, especially for elderly people and those with existing health conditions. Therefore, it's important to monitor humidex levels during periods of high humidity and take appropriate measures to protect yourself from the heat.